Prime Minister Narendra Modi spoke to his Israeli counterpart Benjamin Netanyahu and discussed ways to strengthen the multifaceted India-Israel friendship. The death toll in the earthquakes in Turkey and Syria has crossed 15,000. Indian Army has set up a field hospital at Iskenderun in Hatay province of Turkey. BJP National President JP Nadda released party's manifesto Sankalp Patra 2023 in Agartala today. North Shillong Trinamool Congress candidate Aljiva Gwyneth Renja releases her policy statement for the constituency. A total of 109 fresh cases of COVID-19 has been reported in the country during the last 24 hours.